If you have bananas and eggs at home, make this banana frying pan cake. Let's start by slicing 2 bananas. If you want to keep receiving our recipes every day, don't forget to interact with this video, so you don't miss any recipes. Put the bananas in the frying pan and set aside. In a bowl, add 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, 50 grams of sugar. Mix everything together very well. Take the time to tell me which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Add 200 milliliters of milk, 200 grams of wheat flour. Gradually add the flour and keep stirring until it becomes a smooth cream. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix again. Make this recipe at home and come back and let us know how it turned out. I'm going to put this cream on the bananas. Bring to the boil over a low heat. Cook until golden brown. Now that it's browned on one side, I'll remove it and add a drizzle of olive oil. Put the batter back in to brown the other side. And our recipe with bananas is ready. Easy and quick to prepare at home. Now I'm off to enjoy this delicious recipe. Thanks for watching, see you next time and bon appetit!